In this video, I'll show you how to trade ETFs on the Robinhood app, step by step. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. Open the Robinhood app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top right corner and tap on the search icon. After that, tap on the search bar at the top and type the name or ticker symbol of the ETF you want to trade. As you type, you'll see results appear below under Stocks and ETFs. Tap on the ETF you want to open its details page. When the ETF page opens, you'll see the price chart and performance details. You can scroll down to view more metrics and information about the fund. Once you're ready to place a trade, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the Trade button. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.